Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? I hope you all are fine. I am your BGS subject teacher Samia Labuni. Welcome you to Bangladesh and Global Studies class. Before starting today's class, I am going to ask you a puzzle. So get ready for it. If a white house is white and a yellow house is yellow, what color is a greenhouse? Have you guessed what color it is? You will find the answer later after today's lesson. Now, let's start today's class. Now, tell me, have you completed your revision from previous chapter 8, Gender Equality? Can you remember that we discussed from our previous class? Yes, we have discussed about gender equality, pioneer for women, Begum Ruqya, contributions of Begum Ruqya in girls' education, and International Women's Day. History of International Women's Day, violence against women. Now, time for starting our today's class. Chapter 9, Our Duties and Responsibilities. Topic 1, Our Duties to Society. From this topic, we will learn about duty, responsibility, society, duties towards the society, responsibilities towards the society, story about Rakib, stranger, danger, basics, stranger, danger rules, helping the older people in your family. This is our today's topic as seen on your textbook, and you have to read this first. As the topic is titled, Our Duties and Responsibilities to Society, so our first learning point is to know about our duties and responsibilities. Duty, a task or action that one is required to perform as part of one's job. Example, it's my duty to uphold the law. Responsibility, the state or fact of having a duty to deal with something or of having control over someone. Example, I should share my food with others who need it. Do you know what is a society? A society is made up of a group of people sharing the same geographical territory, culture, and language. No one can live alone. We live by helping each other in a society. Our duties towards the society: look after younger children, help anyone in need, respect older people, protect our local amenities such as parks and playgrounds, be safe on the roads, be aware of stranger danger, not harm anyone, obey the rules and regulations of society, etc. Our responsibilities towards the society: following the norms and conducts of the society, helping the underprivileged member of the society, to help in the different works of the society, protect the local amenities such as parks, playgrounds, etc. We should always be aware about strangers because strangers with bad intention may cause us harm. Let's hear a story about Rakib's stranger danger. Rakib went outside alone to play with his friends. Night fell, but Rakib did not return. Rakib's parents informed the police. After 10 days, the police rescued Rakib from a village. It is known that two strangers took Rakib to a shop and gave him an ice cream, which made him unconscious. They took him away and kept him captive and asked for 10 lakh takas as ransom money from Rakib's family. Do you know who is a stranger? A stranger can be described as someone that we do not know him or her well. Say that nearly all people are kind, but that there are a small number of people who might not be. We cannot tell who is kind just by looking at them. For that, we must follow the following rules. Never go anywhere with a stranger. Never accept gifts or sweets from a stranger. Never get in a car with a stranger. Never go off on your own without telling your parents or a trusted adult. If you feel you are in danger, then you have to yell, kick, scream, lie, or run away. Stay with friends and do not go anywhere alone. Example, to the park or your own, etc. Helping the older members in your family. Wash their clothes. Bring them anything they need. Remind them to take medicine timely. Take them to the nearby parks in the afternoon. Read to them or go for walks together, etc. We will help the older people of the family because that is our duties towards them. Fundamental duties towards society serve a useful purpose. A society cannot ever succeed where the citizens are not willing to be active participants in the process of developing society by assuming responsibilities and duties and coming forward to give their best to the society. From today's class, please try to remember all the things that we learned. Please see the learning flowchart for better understanding of your learning process for this chapter until now. Can you remember, before starting our today's class, I asked you a puzzle? The answer is, a greenhouse is for plants. Therefore, it is usually made of glass, so it is transparent or translucent. If you find it difficult to follow the video, you can always pause and watch the screen to make it more understandable. Remember what we have learned today, that you have to orally share the lesson with your afternoon teacher. That is all for today's lesson. You have to study well from the given lecture sheet and worksheet number 1. Have a good day. Thank you for staying with me. Take care and keep learning. Assalamu alaikum.